Ever wondered how industrial processes are monitored and controlled in real time? How do engineers ensure that everything runs smoothly in a power plant, a manufacturing facility, or a water treatment plant? Well, the answer lies in a remarkable system called SCADA, which stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. SCADA is akin to the brain and nervous system of an industrial operation. It's the hidden force behind the seamless functioning of various processes, ensuring everything works in harmony. But what exactly is this system and how does it work? Picture a SCADA system as a two-part entity. One part is the hardware, the sensors, actuators, and programmable logic controllers, often shortened to PLCs. These are the eyes, ears, and hands of the system. They're physically connected to the processes being monitored and controlled. They gather crucial data such as temperature, pressure, flow rates, and electrical currents from different parts of the industrial setup. Now, this data needs to go somewhere, right? That's where the second part of the SCADA system comes in. The software. This software is installed on a computer or server and acts as the brain of the operation. It receives the data from the hardware, processes it, and then presents it to the operators through a user interface. This user interface is a graphical representation of the real-time data, historical trends, and alarms. The operators can monitor the processes, analyze the data, and even control various parameters of the industrial processes using this interface. Now you may be wondering why all this is necessary. SCADA systems are vital in industries where real-time monitoring, control, and optimization are crucial. They significantly improve operational efficiency by detecting anomalies and faults, reducing downtime, and enhancing overall productivity. But the power of SCADA doesn't stop there. It can also integrate with other enterprise systems such as enterprise resource planning or ERP systems. This integration enables better coordination and decision-making at the organizational level, making SCADA an indispensable part of modern industrial operations. In summary, SCADA systems are the unsung heroes of the industrial world. They consist of hardware and software components that work together to monitor and control industrial processes in real time. The hardware collects data from the processes, which is then sent to the SCADA software. This software processes the data, presents it to the operators, and allows them to control the processes. SCADA systems are crucial for operational efficiency, fault detection, downtime reduction, and overall productivity. They can also integrate with other enterprise systems for better organizational coordination and decision-making. So, the next time you marvel at the efficiency of a power plant or the smooth operation of a water treatment facility, remember the SCADA system working tirelessly behind the scenes to make it all possible.